Easy Remedies. Split ends in hair. It's a torture. Sick of split ends in hair? Then try these easy remedies to get rid of it. Split ends are irritating as they crop up over and over again. This is no fun. What do you do to get rid of split ends? Get a haircut done? But for how long would you escape? We have finally heard all your queries related to split ends. Relying on various beauty products will not take you anywhere. Eggs. Eggs are essential for your hair. Eggs contain fatty acids and proteins. Try using egg mask for your hair. This remedy will help you strengthen the roots as well as condition your hair to get rid of split ends. Throw some curd and you will see your hair become visibly smoother, untangled and healthier. Honey. This natural wonder has many hidden health benefits. Honey can be used to cure split ends, yes, all naturally. How to get your split end mask ready? First, mix honey with curd and apply it on the ends of your hair. It's a wonderful treatment for split ends. Wide tooth comb. It is very important to choose a comb wisely. Soon after applying conditioner, slowly run a wide toothed comb through hair until all the tangles are gone. This whole process prevents the breakage. Use a wide toothed comb to battle it out. Haircut. Most of women opt for regular haircuts to avoid split end. Isn't it? Well, regular trims are your best protection in this situation. Do you wait for a longer span of time to trim your hair? It will increase the chances to have split ends. Never use damaging products. It is your responsibility to take care of your hair by giving them adequate nourishment. Are you using too much of beauty products on your hair? Stop doing it right away. Treatments such as hair color, highlights, straightening and perms can result in split ends. Avoid damaging products will help you overcome split ends. Like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.